Hello, your response writing today. I want you to think about how Half Chicken was very vain. However, he also showed that he could be thoughtful of others. Think of ways that Half Chicken was thoughtful and helpful. Use text evidence from the story. Write an opening sentence, a topic sentence to begin your paragraph, and make sure you have details throughout and a closing at the end. So here is my example. You cannot copy it, but I'm going to give you an example of how it should look. So I wrote, Half Chicken was thoughtful and helpful to others in this story. There's my topic sentence. I restated my question that was being asked. He helped the water by, After he helped the water, he stopped and helped the wind by, Finally, he was helpful and when the fire asked for help. How did he help the fire? That is how Half Chicken was thoughtful and helpful. So I have my topic sentence, I have 3 example details, and then a closing sentence. Okay, go ahead and write your response writing. How was Half Chicken helpful